In 2025, Mercedes-Benz once again raises the bar for automotive excellence with its highly anticipated Mercedes 2025 car exhibition. Held in Stuttgart, Germany, home of the Mercedes-Benz headquarters, this grand event is more than just a display of luxury vehicles. It is a vision of the future of mobility, sustainability, and innovation. The exhibition draws thousands of visitors from around the world, including industry leaders, car enthusiasts, media, and loyal customers. With a strong focus on electric mobility, intelligent technology, and timeless design, Mercedes-Benz presents its latest models that blend modern needs with unmatched elegance. Mercedes-Benz, a legacy of innovation. For over a century, Mercedes-Benz has defined the standard for luxury cars, combining performance, safety, and refinement. In 2025, the brand continues to evolve, placing greater emphasis on eco-friendly innovation, AI integration, and customized luxury. This year's exhibition highlights how tradition and future-focused technology can coexist beautifully. Under the theme Luxury in Motion, the 2025 lineup showcases an impressive balance between best-selling everyday vehicles and iconic high-end luxury cars. Most popular and widely used Mercedes models in 2025. Mercedes-Benz has a broad customer base, from families to business executives and electric car enthusiasts. At the heart of the exhibition are the most in-demand models that appeal to a wide range of drivers. 1. Mercedes-Benz EQS 584 MATIC 2025. The EQS is Mercedes-Benz's flagship electric luxury sedan and a top choice among drivers in the premium EV segment. Known for its futuristic design and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 EQS comes with significant upgrades. Battery range, up to 500 miles per charge. Performance, 580 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. Interior, 56-inch MBUX hyperscreen, AI-powered driver assistance, ambient lighting, and massage seats. The EQS is praised for its silent, yet powerful drive, redefining what an electric luxury car should feel like. 2. Mercedes-Benz GLC 304 MATIC. As one of Mercedes' best-selling SUVs, the GLC 300 is a popular choice for urban families and professionals alike. The 2025 model features improved safety systems, enhanced fuel efficiency, and an even more comfortable ride. Engine, 2.0-liter turbo with mild hybrid system. Technology, smart parking assist, voice-controlled MBUX system, and real-time traffic guidance. Design, modern styling with dynamic lines and a spacious, quiet cabin. This SUV remains a favorite because it combines versatility, reliability, and understated luxury. 3. Mercedes-Benz C-Class Sedan 2025. The C-Class is known as the everyday luxury sedan and continues to be one of the most widely used models globally. The 2025 C-Class offers a premium driving experience in a compact, affordable package. Features: digital dashboard, panoramic roof, adaptive cruise control. Comfort: